This is Ground Media UG.
University graduation, the opportunity of the 2024.
Yeah, first and foremost, I want to wish the St. Lawrence University a very, very, very huge congratulations, especially to the students and the teaching fraternity, especially the administrators, for this wonderful event. Really, it is great to have a private university like St. Lawrence University to have this occasion. By the way, I started from right here. There was a campus called Kabaka's Lake. I was here from senior 1 up to senior 3, while Joel Senyoni was my head prefect. Joel Senyoni. I was here, so I'm really happy to get back here when there is a university, meaning that there is development around, and I want to give all the thanks to the proprietor, the late Professor Muchibi Lawrence, because he has really come up with something that is great. He will always be remembered for this. But I'm also happy for my brother, Obed Lubega, aka Reign, for this wonderful achievement he has achieved today. Having a diploma in education, it's not something easy. That's why I also want to congratulate all the graduates today for this big achievement. Please take it on, light your candle like your motto at St. Lawrence University, so that you're able to do something for your country. Be awake, be awoke, to make sure that at least there's something that you can do for your country, to make sure that we change lives of our countrymen and women.
Honorable, what should the universities do, most of the lecturers, when it comes to unemployment? Because most of the students who have graduated right now, they need to go out to festival to look for jobs, and we have an issue of unemployment, which is continuously happening every year when students move out to look for jobs. So what do you think should be done to ensure that when a student moves out of the university, he or she knows what she's going to start or what he's going to start, rather than going to fight for one scholar job, whereby thousands of others are also looking for the same thing?
Well, the good thing I've heard about St. Lawrence University from the speeches I've listened to and the names, the courses they have read here, at least they are not teaching just theories. They are more of a practical university, whereby they have practical courses, whereby they are not just teaching students to be job seekers, but also to create jobs for others, to initiate different enterprises, different job ventures, so that they do not just seek for jobs, but also they can create the jobs for themselves. But in this Uganda, the economy is really bad, so that's why I'm asking and demanding. Most of the times, the young people think that someone else is going to do for them something. But please wake up and do for yourselves. Do something for yourselves. Join politics. Join us in the fight, so that we change the lives of Ugandans, we change the leadership of this country, so that us, the young people, because the majority of the people here graduating, they are young people, so that we are able to lead this country by the leadership of Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. We shall be able to do the best for our fellow young people.
Away from the education, back to politics, what should we expect in the 2026 elections?
Right now we are not in 2026. We are in 2024.
Yes.
They are 2 years away.
How are you prepared?
How do you be sure that 2026 will be there?
How are you prepared as a politician?
Right now, we are preparing to remove Mr. Museveni, so that by 2026 he's not there. For me, that's my job, that's my mission, because Mr. Museveni will never give us a free and fair election. So we want to make sure that right now he's put aside and we go into 2026 without him. For me, that's my mission.
They were seeing parties being divided. How sure are you that people are going to ensure that by 2026 you take over the position of the opposition?
No, divisions are always created by Mr. Museveni himself. The divisions within all political parties, they are always created by Mr. Museveni. And most of the times, that can also work as propaganda. It can be done to make people think that, oh, we are very divided, so that our people lose hope. But I want to tell you, even if we are just few of us who are united, we shall do something to cause the change of the leadership of this country.
Honorable, we have seen you moving with Reign for so long, and you took him to Parliament. Are you not challenging him to join politics?
No, Reign is a very big support of ours. That's what you should know. He is into comedy, he's into music, and so many other things like being an actor, and just like his colleague Maulana. So I want to tell you that we are inspiring very many young people, not only Reign, to join politics. We are calling upon all young people to join politics. Reign is my fellow agent, by the way. So if I'm doing something, he's also getting inspired to know that if I'm able to do it, be sure also himself he will do it. So if he's joining, why not? But this is not the time for elective politics. This is the time for action politics.
But we have seen you taking him in different offices as if you are nurturing him such that by 2026 is ready. And
yeah, you know, just like friends, just like we are friends. By the way, why don't you also ask me, why is Reign taking me to entertainment centers, is taking me to theaters, is taking me to bars, is taking me to all those other places? I'm always in comedy store, you know. Why don't you ask me, do I also want to join comedy? No, of course I'm not joining comedy. So he's here to fight for our country, he's fighting for his country, he's fighting for himself. So you never know.
But
This guy,
we have seen posters moving around in social media of him aspiring to take on Uganda South.
why not if that's what the people are saying? If it's the right time and there is 2026, you never know. It's up to him. But what we want is to fight for our country now, not tomorrow. Because those people are talking about tomorrow, yet for us we are working for today.
You are saying we are working for today. And for you always when you are speaking, we are seeing you that everything is going on well. But according to the people are saying that things are not moving on. They are waiting for 2026. What can you tell them?
No, we are always there to tell our people and to give them hope that don't ever lose hope. Don't ever think that when something is not happening, there is nothing that we are doing. We are working. You also work. Instead of expecting other people to do for you, you be sure that you can also do something. Do the little that you can so that you're able to make a difference.
We have seen very many members of NO